Hello everybody, this is Kunj Bansal from Sarthi Group. I am recording this message on Monday 2nd March, and as we all know that market has corrected almost 20% from its peak of 14 January that was close to 12,400 intraday. And even if we take the recent market high of close to 12,200 on 19th Feb, Friday, that is 28th February, the market closed at 11,200 odd Nifty, that is. So as I said, that's a correction of about 10-11%. Obviously, the large part of the reason seems to have been induced by the coronavirus related issues. So in this kind of market, a lot of you have been asking me that okay, if market recovers, what stock should we buy? Uh, so let me try to give you some of the stocks that we can buy. Of course, the fact remains that has market bottomed out today, although it is closing up from the Friday's close of 28th Feb, but was the Friday bottom? I don't have an answer to that. That only time will tell. But the stocks that I will tell you will obviously are for long-term buy and hold. And as a result, if market comes down and if those stock again come down, I don't think that should be a cause of concern. And if they go up, well and good. Also, let me remind you that my recommendations will be more of buy and hold. If you get a trading opportunity in short term, it's your luck, but that is not my intention. These are large cap, liquid, high quality financials. I have mainly chosen financials because those are high beta stocks, and as you all know, those are the one which come down first with the market and will rise first with the market also, and that's our objective. Also, let me give you some disclaimers that this is not a business solicitation message. This, since most of you have been asking me which stocks to buy, is what I am trying to do. So the stocks that I have lined up, let me just refer to my notes. Is the first stock is a general insurance company called ICICI Lombard. Now this stock has corrected almost 10% in line with market from the 14 Jan peak as well as 19th Feb intermittent peak, and almost 15% from its 52-week high, currently trading at about 1250 rupees. Of course, there has been a lot of negativity built on the insurance sector, life in general, after the budget changes and some other issues. But I don't think the sector is going to go anywhere. So since our recommendations are more of buy and hold long term, these are good quality companies which have been showing good growth over the years. So that's first stock. Moving on, the second is from the same financial house group is a stock, an ICICI Bank, which is one of the large private sector lenders. That stock has also corrected about 10% from its recent peak and 10% from its life high also, currently trading at about 500. So again, high quality financial. Somebody who is more interested in the details about financials can get in touch with me separately. Moving on, the third stock is Bajaj Finance. Now, obviously, there's not much for me to tell. All of us have been monitoring that stock, but thankfully, that stock is now available at a 10% correction from its 52-week high and almost an 8% correction from its 19th Feb high. Currently available at 4,500 rupees. Given its quality, I consider it a decent medium to long term opportunity. Moving on comes the HDFC Limited, not the HDFC Bank. Of course, that is also good buy, but here I am referring to Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, housing finance company. So that stock again currently down 8% from recent high and 13% from its life high, trading at 2200, is a good buy for long term buy and hold. And then the last stock is HDFC Life, which is from the life insurance sector, down recently 6% from its high, but 16% from its 52-week high, currently trading at 550 odd rupees. Again, because of the budget related changes, some negativity got built up on these stock. So what I have tried to do is, as I said, large cap liquid names, high beta financial stocks, move faster with the market, of course fall faster with the market. Tried to take on a diversified within BFSI. So one is a general insurance, one is a life insurance, one is a bank, one is an NBFC, and one is a housing finance company. Of course, again, let me reiterate the disclaimers that I may or may not have some positions in these. The PMS portfolios managed by me may or may not have some positions. I would have advised these stocks to a lot of other people also in the past, both buy and sell depending on the market. Again, these recommendations are not solicitation of business. First time investors shouldn't use these recommendations. Be very well aware that equity is a risky asset class, so accordingly one has to look the strategy that one can adopt is part buy now, part buy either if the market and the stock falls, or even if they go up, that is more a proving of the theory. So that's something that can be adopted as a strategy. So that's all for me now. I'll try to give you some more recommendations in the future also. Thank you very much.